Look at that. It's all branded and lined up too. So, hey everybody, Tim here with Aces Tech. So we are going to be introducing some of our fuel systems. This is the new Aces EFI Command Center 2. Fantastic product, and let me get into that real quick. Hey America! So anyways, fun fact, the Dodge Viper ACR has a rear wing of 1,776 millimeters wide. Isn't that exciting? But more excitingly, we have our new Aces Command Center 2. This thing right here is a surge tank style fuel pump system, so you can run it off your mechanical pump. It ups the pressure right here off into the throttle body, like a kill shot, royal flush, or even our jackpot systems in some cases. The only thing you really need to run on this is like a return line back to the fuel tank. That way it keeps the pressure equal. Fantastic unit. Really excited we have it. It's got a 340 liter per hour fuel pump inside of it. You can replace it if you're even out of warranty at a local auto parts store, really. But yeah, it's pre-regulated. It's already set. You can do a lot of really great stuff with this unit. I'm really happy we have it. Somebody asked a question, hey, why don't you guys have more options on fuel systems? Here we go. So anyways, I went ahead and took some screws out of the top of this thing. I just wanted to show everybody kind of a little bit what's inside of it. So that was easy. That was pretty easy. This is a serviceable thing down the road. So even if like you want to put a different pump in or what have you down the road, you can just undo the top and then it just slides out. And essentially it's a fuel tank, just like a sending unit inside of a fuel cell with a little sock on the bottom of it. Just think of this as like a tiny fuel tank. And this is like a nice EFI pump inside. Really simple stuff. In case you're wondering about the plumbing on this, it's one of the best things I like about it is it's simple. We got the red one that obviously goes off to the throttle body. We got either one of these. You can pick and say this is your fuel in, and this is your return back to the tank. Either way it goes, you can mount it vertically or you can mount it horizontally like on a frame rail if you wanted to. But as long as the return side that goes back to the tank is up, it kind of acts like a vent for this internal tank. On the bottom of the unit right here, you see we got two brackets. You can unbolt these and you can put them on the side if you're going to change the orientation of it as well. But if you like products like these or you're looking to buy this kind of surge tank, just go to acesefi.com. We have a marvelous March sales coming on here soon, and really excited to see you there. So got any questions, give us a call. You want to see the product more, just check out our YouTube and check out our website, all you see.